Year 4 students from room 20 to present their assembly item.
Welcome to the Frog Academy of 2010. Home to you, Miss Frog. Good morning, fantastic froglets.
Good morning, Miss Frog.
Now time for the roll. Good morning, Froglet Connie.
Good morning, Miss Frog.
Good morning, Froglet Paris.
Elephant.
Good morning, Froglet Josh.
Good morning, Miss Frog.
Good morning, Froglet Hope.
Good morning, Miss Frog.
Good morning, Froglet Venus.
Good morning, Miss Frog.
Good morning, Froglet Charles.
Good morning, Miss Frog.
Good morning, Froglet Nick. Now where is Nick?
Late again.
Good morning, Froglet Jared.
Late together again. I wonder what excuse I'll have this time.
Yes, I wonder.
Gallop went the little green frog last night. Gallop went the little green frog. Gallop went the little green frog last night, and his eyes go bloink, bloink, bloink. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da, la-di-da-di-da. We all know frogs go la-di-da-di-da, and his eyes go bloink, bloink, bloink.
Thank you for joining us finally, boys. Right, class, now for some art appreciation time. I'm going to show you a slideshow of art from the Fantastic Room 20 at the amazing Victoria Avenue Musical. Now pay attention.
Do you remember in the fairy tale how the wicked witches changed their hands and legs to a toe? With the power of the potion, she handed him the notion he was lower than a blood in a row. And though she let him read and wanted, her evil plan was thwarted when perchance it happened by a young miss. And in spite of his complexion, she offered her affection and broke the wicked spell with her kiss. If you've ever been frog kissing, then you don't know what you're missing. There's a world of opportunity under each and every love. If you've never been a charm breaker, if you've never been a handsome prince maker, just slow down, turn down, bend down and kiss your thought. There's a happy ever after land deep in the haunted land where a prince and princess abide. But all you get are glimpses of handsome prince or princesses, 'cause they're covered by being walking high. And though they're full of life's potential, they're lacking one essential to enable them to shine like a star. And that's to have some guys or misses smile them and love them just like they are. If you've never been frog kissing.
Very good. Now I hope you are all inspired to become fantastic froglet artists yourself. Now time for some poetry. Bucky here, can you please share with us your poem?
Frogs at school. I saw frogs croaking in a pool. I found a little cage for them with a little pool. That's why I've got a whole frog school. Next I found a toad school where toads are big and green. The bullies there are really tough and mean. Then I saw a froggy new to school. The big tough bullies really were fools. They ran up to the new boy and said, "Come, little bull." The bullies laughed so much they fell into the pool. So did the skull. So they left in the lonely world, standing in the rain, was little Finny Billy McStain. I picked him up and put in with the frogs. There he was with his friends all logs. There it is. I gave you a story of how I found a frog school. So just remember that bullies are so not cool. Bye, so.
Now whose turn? Right, come on then, up you get.
When the frogs went to school, they could eat flies all around moving tongues. Frogs like hold a pencil weirdly, holding them with their tongue. Then PE all playing hopscotch. Oh, how fun! Some swimming in a lake and some taking some bait. Lunch they might be name tags, playing tag on lily pads. Some frogs could be dark green and could be mean. So there we go, upon the frogs at school in Big Pool. Bye, Jared.
Thank you, class, for the sharing of your wonderful poetry. And humans wonder what we do at school each day. Really, what do they mean, what do we do at school each day?
Assembly this morning. We all enjoyed your presentation. Mr. Clausen and I will now present this week's quiz.